everyone, welcome back to a new weekly update on my fantasy manga Diadem Chronicles. In the previous video, we had a brief walkthrough of Gideon's mom's character design and my plans for this week, which was either to work on the environment designs or to redo the inking of the finished pages, 12 pages from chapter 1, as I've already made changes to Gideon and his mom's character designs, the tweaks, so I needed to update those. And I also said that I did flesh out Gideon's mom's character details, and so that's what I did this week. And we'll get into details, starting off with Gideon's mom's character details. Alright, so this is Gideon's mom's character bio. I've decided to name her Martha. She has no nickname, gender is female. Birthdays for the whole character designs, or the whole characters that I've made so far, I've not finalized their birthdays till now, so I'm just gonna continue to leave this as blank, and I'll fill these in later on. Her age at the time of the starting of this the manga, she is 35 years old. Ethnicity species is Manav. Height 5'5", weight 45 kilograms. Eyes are jet black. Skin tone is fair. Distinguishing feature, scroll on her left arm. No facial features. Hairstyle is a low ponytail. Body type slightly underweight, and this is just to depict that she is, her condition with her scroll is quite advanced now. It's in the later stages, and then at the same time she is a bit underweight to show that their living conditions is, it's harsh. They live in a harsh environment. Her dress is a top apron wrap with a wraparound and sandals. So she's wearing a shirt, a collared shirt, and then her apron wraparound sort of thing is both her covers both her, acts as a lower clothing for her lower body, and then also it's a mix of like an apron and some sort of dress. And so that's her dress outfit. She lives in the world of Sphera. Occupation, single parent. Item always carried, nil. Life skills, cooking, and I guess I would add gardening as well. Incompetence, the scroll hinders her from just doing daily basic things sometimes. Strength or talent, hospitality, and caring nature. Weaknesses, I don't know any whether she would have any sort of weaknesses right now. Gardening is her hobby, and then habits also, I might fill this later on. And the reason why I'm leaving most of these blank, and you'll get to know that as we go below as well, is because she is a minor character at this point, a minor supporting character, and so I don't want to go too much detail into her character and just waste time. Basically, I just want to get the bare minimum needed for me to just flesh out her character, the role that she's gonna play in the chapters ahead, and then later on I'll continue to put in more details as and when needed. Organization involved in is going to be nil. Her personality is nurturing, moral, lawfully good, self-control, very good self-control. So she is able to control her just her urges that she gets from the scroll, the effects of the scroll. She's able to just really push it down and then not give in to it. Her motivation is her son Gideon, and the sole reason that she keeps pushing on despite her circumstances with just life in general, and then the scroll that has advanced quite a bit in her body. Discouragement would be she gets discouraged when she remembers her husband who has passed away early on due to the scroll, and then just thinking about her current circumstances, which are by no means like easy. Intelligence level is average, confidence level is average. Again, philosophy, all these, it's not necessary right now, so I've not written it. Her greatest fear and phobia is to be consumed by the scroll and leaving Gideon all by his lonesome. Her past, most of it is blank, like I said. I don't need this right now. So, according to the story. And so, role in the story, in the manga, she's a minor supporting character. Alignment is good. Short-term goal is to take care of Gideon. Long-term goal to give Gideon a better life. Perseverance, chapter 1. And then plot involvement. I know what these are. I just don't want to write it down because it's going to be a spoiler. So I'm going to write these post this video. Conflict and most defining moment. These are going to be blank for now, so that these are major spoilers. So that's her character bio for Martha. And like I said, I'll continue to fill this in as the story moves forward. Alrighty, let's have a look at the finished pages that I've done. So this is the whole thumbnail for chapter 1 of my manga, Diadem Chronicles. And I've jumped around bits and pieces and done quite a bit of inking, but if I were to tell you in a sequence my progress so far, so I finished from chapter 1 till chapter 12. So from out of this, I have to start editing or redoing and tweaking Gideon's and his mom's, which his mom's name is Martha now. So Gideon and Martha's characters. So I have to tweak a little bit of their designs. And so this week I was able to start with page 7. I couldn't finish it. I was able to do about 50% of it done and then another 50% left. Hopefully next week I can get this one done and this one as well. This isn't much, it's just one character over here. This I don't think I need to change, as these are just faraway shots of him just looking out from the mountain and then climbing down. And so yeah, once I'm done with this, page 9, I think I should be able to finish. So with page 7, I'm done with the first and the second panel. Third and fourth are the ones that are left. I've done the rough. I just have to finish inking it. So I should be able to finish 7 and page 9 as well. And maybe start off with page 10. Now I couldn't work much in the previous week and before that as well. And I think I mentioned, oh no, I didn't. So right after my mom's birthday, which I think I mentioned it in the previous video, the 3rd or the 4th weekly update, where I mentioned that my mom's birthday was coming up. And so right after that, she got sick, and she's been sick for about 2 weeks now, a little bit less than 2 weeks. and so I've not been able to get much time to work on Diadem Chronicles. So hopefully in the next video I should be able to put in more work. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. It's, again, like I said, it's gonna be a short update, and like I said, hopefully I can put in more time in next week. I will continue to ink the pages, the finished pages, and redo them. And once I'm done with that, then I'll move on to maybe environment designs of the different places of Sphera, the world of Sphera. I've been also wondering if I should start live streaming when I do these inking of the pages. Would that be something that you guys are interested in? It could be rather a a pleasant background noise as you get to work on your own projects as well. Do let me know in the comments. Subscribe to follow my manga journey, and I will see you next week. Cheers.